Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off comments in your Instagram story. So if this video helps you, like and subscribe. It really supports channel, keeps motivated to make videos like this. So enough talking, let's get started. So open up Instagram on your mobile phone and create a story. So yeah, while you create a story, just simply create a story. Click that plus button on your profile, click create a story. And if you want to turn comments off, I'm going to show you. So first of all, I'm going to add some text like was a great day today here, and I'm going to add some sticker. Let's see that time here, and then some sound like, I don't know, Drake. But yeah, and then if you want to just turn off comments, what you do is at the top right corner, click on these three dots and then click on turn off commenting. So now comments are turned off, as you see. So yeah, I hope this will help you. Like and subscribe.